Hello and welcome back to the first episode of the Bag in the Munros series of 2022. Today you'll be watching me climb Geal Charn in the Monadhliath mountains. This will be roughly a 14km walk with a 610 metre ascent and should take roughly 4 to 6 hours, and the height of the Munro is 926 metres or 3038 feet. Right, now let's get into the video. I've decided that I'm going to post once every 2 weeks just to hopefully have a bank of videos so I can keep putting videos out over the winter. Because ViewRanger has dissolved into Outdoor Active, I've downloaded Outdoor Active and I gave it a shot and it is really good.
Let's go. Begin in a westerly direction on General Wade's military road. Then continue straight for 450 feet.
And I'm going to pause it right there. And never have I ever felt like such an idiot. I don't know how I managed to become so tunnel visioned, as there was just 4 posts to the left of the gate that I could have walked around. But somehow I was just so happy that there was a gate and I could video me walking through the gate. I realised my mistake shortly after. And there it is, the moment of realisation. What an idiot.
What an idiot.
I've just realised you can just walk around. Oops. Right, and now back to the walk. It was a very windy day, so a lot of the audio at the top of the mountain I've cut out just because you can't hear a thing. And just to warn you for this Munro, it is extremely boggy, so your feet will get soaking wet because there's not very many bridle paths at all. I think that looks pretty cool. And there's me just hyping up my cinematography skills. Already went off course a little bit. Nothing like a first trip back of 2022 to get a bit of a detour, but we're going back on track. Sometimes when you're yapping away you just forget to look at your phone and then 2 minutes later you're miles off track. It happens all the time. Yeah, this one is really boggy. I don't know if it's just because it's March, but this is a very boggy one. It probably doesn't help with the fact that all these mountains had snow on them a month ago, so all that'll be melting and all the water will have just been soaked up in the ground. But in the distance you can see Geal Charn. Just try and look at the ground when I'm walking, just look at all the water everywhere. It's honestly a minefield just trying to avoid it all, just to keep your feet dry. And here we have a quick cinematic lunch break. And now we're back to it. So the top that you've been seeing the whole way up is where we are now, and then it's about another 200 metres along and about 30 metres up, and then that's you at the finish. And as you can see, there's still some leftover snow at the top. And it is a really good feeling when you can finally see the cairn that you have to go to reach the top. That's at the top. It took us 3 hours and 20 minutes to get here. So hopefully it'll only take us 2 hours or something to get down, but we'll see. At the bottom now, and it took us total 5 hours and 15 minutes. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.